In this part of the course, I will show you how to upload a website to Hostinger in 2026 using hPanel and File Manager. This is perfect if you already have a static website with files like index.html, style.css and script.js, and you want to host it on Hostinger. In my case, I'm using a temporary Hostinger domain for this demo. But the process is the same if you already connected your own custom domain. Click Dashboard for the website you want to manage. Inside the website dashboard, look at the left side menu and then click File Manager. File Manager is where you can upload, delete, rename and manage the files that make up your website. Hostinger may ask you if you want to access files for this specific website. Now we are inside Hostinger File Manager. The most important folder here is public HTML. This is the folder that Hostinger uses as the public root of your website. In simple words, files inside public HTML are the files people can see when they visit your website. Click Upload and choose Folder. If your website is already prepared as a folder, you can upload the folder. If you only have a few files, you can also upload individual files. For this demo, I'm uploading a prepared website folder that contains all the files. After the upload finishes, you should see your uploaded folder or files in File Manager. Here is the important part. Your homepage file, usually index.html, must be directly inside public HTML folder. If index.html is inside an extra folder, your website may not open from the main domain. Instead, it may only open from a subfolder URL. Before replacing an existing website, it is a good idea to rename the current public HTML folder to a backup folder. This gives you a backup in case you need to restore the old website. Now make sure your new website files are inside public HTML. Rename your uploaded folder to public HTML. After the files are uploaded, open your domain or temporary Hostinger domain in a browser. If everything was done correctly, your website should now be live. And that is how you upload and host a website on Hostinger in 2026. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel.